ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ ತೃತೀಯ ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ ಸೂತ ಮಹಾಮುನಿ giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Kardama Prajapati saying to Swayambhuva Manu like this, O Manu, your daughter Devahuti, she is a jewel of all the girls. I shall definitely accept your daughter Devahuti. O Manu, until I am blessed with children through your Devahuti, I will be her husband. And after that, I will take sannyasam. O Manu, ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಪರಂ ಪ್ರಮಾಣಂ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಅನಂತಃ. ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಅನಂತ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೀ ಟು accept Devahuti as my wife. That Paramatma is the one who revealed this entire Srishti, who is protecting this Srishti, who will be withdrawing this Srishti. He is the one who will be controlling all the Prajapatis also. Such Paramatma asked me to accept Devahuti as my wife. Like that, Kardama said to Swayambhuva Manu and then kept quiet while meditating upon Sriman Narayana. At that time, Devahuti has seen that Kardama Prajapati's divine face and glow. She was completely drawn into Kardama Prajapati. Then Swayambhuva Manu also consulted his wife Satarupa. With her consent, both of them, they offered Devahuti, their daughter Devahuti, Tasmai Gunaganadhyaya Dadau Tulyam Praharshitaha. They offered their daughter Devahuti to Kardama Prajapati. And then Satarupa, she offered so many ornaments and garments to Kardama Prajapati as a gift along with her daughter Pari Barhanan. As a dowry, Satarupa offered so many things to Kardama Prajapati. And then Swayambhuva Manu felt relaxed because he could dedicate her daughter Devahuti to a very good charactered and well-educated, qualified person. Because Swayambhuva Manu has so much affection upon his daughter Devahuti, he could not leave Devahuti there. Bahubhyam upaguhya autkantya unmadhitasayah. Again and again, Swayambhuva Manu taking his daughter Devahuti and giving her affectionate hug, Chubukambu Budukuchu, చెక్కిలి ముద్దుగొని శిరంబు మూర్కొని ప్రేమాతిరేకంబున బాష్పధారాసిక్తమస్తకంచేసి తల్లి పోయి వచ్చెదా. Like that, Manu, Swayambhuva Manu, repeatedly taking Devahuti very close to him, giving her hug and kissing on Devahuti's forehead. Then, without being able to leave her, finally Swayambhuva Manu saying to Devahuti, "Oh my dear beloved daughter, now I am leaving you here." Like that, Swayambhuva Manu said and then left from there while moving to tears. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Ashram. Jai Sriman Narayana.